Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's a bit windy today. The weather's a bit hit and miss. It's dry and it keeps having showers, so we're going to try and get this done in between the showers if we can. So this is our newest project. It's a Mazda RX8. It's a 1.3 rotary. It's the 192 brake horse version. We do another version which I believe is 231 or 232. It's got 2 owners from new. I think it's just done 88,000 miles. It's got full Mazda history with it. But as you can see from the damage on the side, it's been written off as a Category S. I don't believe it is a Category S, but we're going to get the wing off today and have a look. We've got a new wing to go on, and we've also got a new door because of all this damage here. So yeah, we're going to get this wing off. We're going to have a look at this pillar here that comes down, just to make sure there's no damage to that. And if there's not, we're fine to put the wing on. If there is, then we're going to have to sort getting this pulled out. But yeah, let's get on to it. Let's get this wing off and we'll see what we can see behind there. not the best of wings. It's straight. Obviously, I think it's had a bit of paint over the years, but it seems pretty straight, the wing. Second-hand part. We've actually got a door as well, which I just mentioned before we put this on. But I don't think we've got time today. We've got to obviously disconnect the electrics for the door, for the mirror, the speakers, the central locking, and then we can disconnect the door from the hinge, take the door off, and then we've got another door, same as this, off the same car. It's a nice straight door that can go on, and then once that's done, we are going to wrap this car in I think it's called Midnight Purple. It's by Hexis. So yeah, we've decided on a midnight purple and gloss black theme. I'll just show you. You might have seen in the shorts, you might not, but we wrapped the duckbill spoiler and we actually bonded that on with Tiger Seal, and we've actually wrapped the lights with a black tint. They are dark, they do look very dark, but they're not too bad when the lights are on. It's not that bad really. But yeah, so we've wrapped this. First attempt at wrapping this by me and Steph, so I don't think we've done too bad. We're not experts in vinyl wrapping. This is our first attempt, and to be fair, I would expect it's quite a bit of a difficult thing to do with the sort of shape of it. But we did watch a few YouTube videos first. We've got some ideas of what to do. Basically, the ones we watched is you sort of start on the outside edge on this flat bit, and you've got to pull and then pull, stretch. As you pull across that outside edge there, it's sort of the wrap wants to go underneath a little bit, so that helped us a lot with that. So yeah, in there with it. It's obviously going to be a slow process because this is not our full-time job, but stay tuned if you want to see more on this RX8, and please like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.